everybody, it's Miss Dorothy here. I'm going to read a story to you today called Mrs. Green's Garden. There it is. Okay, let's see what happens in this story. It says, "This is Mrs. Green. She grows flowers and vegetables. Mrs. Green sells her plants at a farmer's market. She needs to keep her plants healthy. When the plants are healthy, they look green and strong." Okay, that's what we want, green and strong. Mrs. Green's plants look different today. Some leaves are yellow. Some flowers are falling down. She cannot sell these plants at the farmer's market. Mrs. Green's plants must be sick. Why are Mrs. Green's plants sick? Oh no, that's not what we want. The next page says, Mrs. Green looks at the seeds in her garden. The seeds are under the soil. These seeds are not sprouting. They should be growing into seedlings. Seeds need water and air. The seeds need to be warm too. Do the seeds have enough water, air, and warmth? Do you think? I don't know. This page says, Mrs. Green moves her seeds to a warm place. She sprays the seeds with water. The water will help the seeds sprout. Then the seeds can grow into seedlings. Oh, so she's given them a warm place, and she's given them some water, right? So that will all those things will help them to grow. Let's see what happens. Mrs. Green looks at a plant in her garden. The leaves are yellow. The leaves should be green. Plants need sunlight and air to make food. This makes the leaves look green. Does this plant have enough sunlight and air? Oh, I think the answer is no, because they're yellow. Leaves are yellow, doesn't look too healthy. Mrs. Green moves the plant into the sunlight. The leaves take in sunlight. The leaves take in air too. Now the plant will have sunlight and air. The plant can make food. This helps the plant grow green and strong. Oh, that plant looks a lot better. Oh no, look at this plant. It's drooping over. Mrs. Green looks at a plant in her garden. The stem is drooping. Whoop. The stem should be tall and strong. Plants need water to grow tall and strong. Plants need water to make food too. Does this plant have enough water? If you answered no, you'd be right. So Mrs. Green waters the plant. The roots take in water from the soil. The roots take in other things from the soil too. The stem carries water and other things to other parts of the plant. This helps the plant grow. Oh, now it's going to be better. Here we go. Mrs. Green looks at the flowers in her garden. The flowers have no petals. The flowers should have red petals. Flowers need water, sunlight, and air to grow. Does the flowers have enough water, sunlight, and air? Oh, it has no petals. It's not doing too good. Uh-oh. So Mrs. Green waters the flowers. She puts them in the sunlight. Now the flowers will grow. The flowers are important. They help make more flowers. Mrs. Green's plants are not sick anymore. She gives them sunlight, water, and the air they need. Now her plants can grow green and strong. She sells all of her plants at the farmer's market. There's the picture. See? All right. So this page says, the end. We are at the end of our story. Okay, let's see. Here's some questions. First question says, what is this story about? Was it about Mrs. Green or Chantel or Drew? If you remembered Mrs. Green, she's the main character in our story. That's the right answer. Good job. Now, what does Mrs. Green grow? Sand and stones, or trees, or flowers and vegetables? If you remembered flowers and vegetables, you'd be right. Good job. Good answer. Okay, so what takes in sunlight? Rivers, or the leaves on our plants, or mountains? Oh, if you remembered leaves, you'd be right. Good job. That's the right answer. Yep. What can make food? Soil, or a house, or a plant? Oh, if you remembered a plant, the plant makes food, right? Gets food from the soil. Kind of both of those answers are good. What carries water to other parts of the plant? A stem, or the sun, or an insect? If you remembered the stem, that's what carries it all up to the plant. You'd be right. Good job. Okay, that's all I have for you for today. That's the end of our story and the end of our questions page. Thanks so much for being great listeners. We'll read again sometime soon, so bye for now.